What would you say has been the biggest thing for you in the consultation, being a very successful stylist and now going through what I'm sharing with you? How has that changed your world?
I think it gives you the ultimate breakdown in order to understand where your client lives, her identity. And I think we develop this skill set as we go through our career, but this really kind of just puts it on a piece of paper where you're able to read the things and understand where your client lives. So therefore, you can kind of control the outcome from that standpoint.
Yes. Sarah, what did it mean for you?
Well, it's definitely more fun behind the chair. Clients really enjoy being more the center of attention and having more attention to detail. Going over the consultation form, I feel like has raised my awareness to many times clients will say, well, my eyes are my favorite feature or my lips are my favorite feature. So, knowing that, sometimes in the past, I wasn't getting that specific within my client or in my consultations. And now it allows me to bring out the features that they really like. And so they have noticed a big difference in how I'm serving them.
So easy to get bored. It's so easy to lose the drive, especially when you get comfortable and you get also into a rut because, like I said, I'm busy, and so maybe I don't have a weekly clientele, but I have a monthly clientele or 6 weeks. So it's the same people over and over, and you get into a rut with them. They get into a rut. And you're all bored. They're bored. You're bored. I'm giving them the same old haircut. Now that I have these techniques, and they want to hear about what I've learned. What are you learning in those workshops? Are you enjoying them? Are you getting more out of what you're doing? What could you do different for me? So that's the conversation that happens now because they know what I'm doing. It's my online profile has increased because of Instagram, and when something comes up on that I participated in that I did with Vivian, including Hair Designer TV Live, I post it and people see it, and I've had people come to me just from my Instagram, and a lot of it is mannequins. It's a shot in the arm for anybody because you have something to offer instead of, oh, hi, how are you this week? What are we going to do today? Okay, you want the same thing? You really want the same thing? Why don't we do something new with the color, and I'll maybe razor out the front. You have more to offer them, and they're more open to it. So it's definitely, I don't struggle with the boredom anymore. Definitely not.